Hey everyone, welcome back to the 1% channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the top 3 stocks of April 2021. Before we get started, I'd appreciate it if you can like the video and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new videos. Okay, so without further delay, let's get straight into our top 3 stocks of the week. Alright, coming in at the number 3 spot, we have QuantumScape, ticker symbol QS. QuantumScape is a leader in the development of next-generation solid-state lithium metal batteries for use in electric vehicles. The company's mission is to revolutionize energy storage to enable a sustainable future. QuantumScape will be a huge beneficiary from President Joe Biden's new $2 trillion infrastructure stimulus package, which has a big focus on electric vehicles, batteries, and charging stations. QuantumScape was trading at all-time highs on March 24, 2021 at nearly $65 per share. The share price since was beaten down to around $40 per share. Due to this massive correction we had in the stock market this past month, caused by the 10-year Treasury bond rates spiking up at the quickest pace we've seen them move in a decade, which provoked massive panic in the market, leaving investors to believe we were going to see massive inflation because of all the money the United States printed in 2020. So, this led to everything selling off 20 to 30% from their all-time highs. QuantumScape found a support level at around $40 per share, and after President Joe Biden announced his infrastructure stimulus package, QuantumScape jumped from $40 per share all the way to around $50 per share, which is a massive jump, but it's still at a pretty nice discount from their all-time highs at around $65 per share. I personally believe in the future of electric vehicles, charging station, and battery development companies, so I will be holding all my QuantumScape shares for a very, very long time. My personal plan moving forward with QuantumScape is to keep on nibbling in on any weakness I see, but will not add super heavy all at once, as we're still seeing some weakness in the overall market due to inflation concerns. So just in case it breaks its support at around $40 per share, I definitely want to have cash in the sidelines to buy more shares at a nice discount. But overall, this infrastructure stimulus package just makes my bullish thesis even more concrete. Okay, coming in at the number 2 spot, we have Enphase, ticker symbol ENPH. Enphase designs and manufactures software-driven home energy solutions that span solar generation, home energy storage, and web-based monitoring and control. Enphase has shipped about 20 million solar microinverters primarily into the residential and commercial markets in North America, Europe, and Australia. Enphase Energy will also benefit greatly from this infrastructure stimulus package, as the company's main focus is on energy solutions. Enphase was trading at all-time highs at around $230 per share after smashing fourth-quarter earnings expectations, and since then the company was beaten down to around $128 per share due to the massive correction we had. Enphase went from around $128 per share all the way up to $172 per share after President Joe Biden announced his infrastructure package. The company had quite the rally, but is still a long way from their all-time highs at $230 per share. My personal plan with this company is to continue to add on any weakness, specifically under $140 per share. I'm obviously not sure if we will see these lows come again, but I do want to be prepared in case we do, as the overall market is still hanging by a thread as inflation fears still wander around. I love this company and I have high conviction already, so it's why I'm not adding any share at the moment as I load it up at around $135 per share. Alright, finally coming in at the number 1 spot, we have Plug Power, ticker symbol PLUG. Plug Power Incorporated is a provider of alternative energy technology focused on the design, development, commercialization, and manufacture of hydrogen fuel cell systems used for the industrial off-road market and the stationary power market. The company's product line include Gen Key, Gen Drive, Gen Fuel, Gen Care, and Rely On. Plug Power was trading at all-time highs earlier this year at around $75 per share. Just a month later, the share price was beaten down to $30 per share, which is insane and caused mainly because of the entire market sell-off we had this month due to the inflation fears. The share price started to finally rally after President Joe Biden announced his infrastructure package, which Plug will be a huge beneficiary as well. The share price jumped from $30 per share to around $37 per share. Plug Power is still at massive discounts from their all-time highs at $75 per share, so I'll definitely continue to nibble in on any weakness. Alright, well that's a wrap for today's top 3 stocks to buy video. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new videos. And finally, please feel free to comment what you guys think of my stock picks and video, so any advice will be highly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing rest of your day. Peace!